What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. Today we're going to do a little work to this Girsan Regard. I have gotten a few things for it. I've gotten a Beretta competition flat face trigger. It's a wide flat face trigger that I'm going to change this one out for. I've also picked up let me go ahead and take it out the bag so you guys can see it. This is, did not take it out of the bag. This is a Beretta Magwell, which I hope doesn't look cheesy because it's not going on a Beretta. But it's a Beretta Magwell flare and a Beretta Magwell magazine extension. So gonna put the trigger on there, the Magwell flare, the magazine extension, and hope all this stuff fits because I'm about to go up to Arrowhead and have Shannon put the trigger on for me. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff put on here.
Now we're about to see if Beretta Parts will fit on the Girsan. Hopefully they will, because they weren't cheap. Need to find a barrel, a threaded barrel for the Girsan. Do not like those grip screws either. Yeah, it's the flathead that I don't like. So I need to find some replacements. The Cerakote.
Should be a fresh one. Easier if the pin would push in freely.
So doing all this paint and everything isn't always the most advantageous thing. It causes more issues.
What did she say? Might have been denied.
It's probably going to be interesting to tell her that. She likes to cuss people out. Exactly. I don't know where that went.
Yeah, that's why you got extras. Merry Christmas, baby.
This one,
Hang on.
don't put it back on yet because of the Magwell.
Roll pin.
Is what?
That one's a roll pin, not a straight pin.
Oh.
If I didn't push out. The Magwell?
No. And I had to order those grips like a month before I got the gun.
Show how hard we work around here.
There's Mr. Arthur right there.
Working hard.
Working hard, working hard. This thing only came with one magazine as well. This is strange.
It's cheaper.
Yeah, yeah. You can definitely say that they used the Beretta blueprint. It's a Stava M70.
He wants $500.
Yeah, that's my new baby.
I like the white look. It's so cute.
It's that Johnny Snow edition.
I didn't know they made a whiteout Girsan.
I didn't either. I did not either, so it's like, dang it, they're gonna make me get this daggone gun. Thank you. Let me check it out.
All right, so we have made it back from a gunsmith. Shannon done did his thing, and yes, Beretta triggers fit inside of Girsans. Beretta triggers do fit inside of Girsans, and the Beretta Magwell does fit on the Girsan. And I think that actually makes it look awesome with the Magwell and the magazine extension. And then this trigger is just freaking awesome. All right, so hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think. You know, what do you think about this Girsan Regard? All right, I have the range video that's gonna come here pretty soon, but this is just you know, customization videos right now. So tell me what you think about this customization. You know, should I have left the grips white? Does it look crazy because it's a Girsan and it says Beretta? You know, tell me, let me know. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and you know, go ahead and keep checking in to see exactly where all I go with this. I actually really like this. I really like this. All right, the Girsan Regard Snowman Edition. Snowman Edition. Johnny Snow about it.